This is how you can poke someone on Facebook. For some time now, this feature has been hidden on Facebook. If you want to use it, you have to search for it. So let me show you how you can poke someone on Facebook. Let's launch the Facebook app. On the search icon, click on the search icon and type poke. You can poke your friends and see who has poked you. So we select this poke. You can see my friends that have poked me. This is since 2015. If I want to poke any of my friends, I will simply poke the person here. If I want to search for any of my friends to poke, I will type the person's name here. If I want to poke this person, I will simply tap here, poke, and the person will receive a notification. For the people that have poked you before and you want to poke them back, simply tap poke back and you poke the person back. This is how you can poke someone on Facebook. You have to search for it because the feature is hidden now. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.